First, let me show you the zinc white and titanium white. The other thing here, that peach color repeated twice here and here also, and there is no space, or there is no box for turquoise blue. So I assume that turquoise blue should be here. Okay, so here are all the colors, beautiful colors. It's like this is more an orange, or too close from each other, and here all, you know, the metallic colors. Yeah, anyway, so far so good. Now let's make some beautiful background to use with our cards. Now let me show you all the backgrounds I created and how I turned them into cards. So this is the first card. So I used this background stamp by art by Marlene. Then I die cut the paper using Pinkfresh Studio. This one called Sparkling Diamond. Then I die cut word hello. I used pattern paper by CC Plus and the collection called Secret Garden. And I added, you know, some gemstone. So beautiful, and I like all these beautiful matte colors. Okay, the second card, this one. So again, I used this background stamp by Catherine Pooler. I'm not sure if it has a name. Okay, yeah, spotted background stamp. For the brushes, I used this honeybee dies, I think called Paint and Brush. I'm not sure what's the name. Then this stamp set by Stamping Bella, and this one called Large Assorted. Last but not least, this beautiful rainbow colors. So this is the die I used by Simon Says Stamp. It was a part of a kit. And again, to die cut the paper, I used Sparkling Diamonds by Pinkfresh Studio. And added, you know, some gemstone. Yeah, so you can use your gouache paint, you know, to create background or even to color your stamped images. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. All the links it will be in the description box below. Thanks. Bye.